All right, so in this video, we want to determine the number of terms in each of these sequences. I have two different questions over here. The first question, my first term is 7, and then it goes to 9, 11, 13, and then there's a bunch of terms here, and then the last term is 63. I need to determine the number of terms in this sequence. I'm going to use my general term equation, Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 times d. I know that my final term in this is going to be 63, so I'm going to replace Tn with 63. A is my first term, which is 7 plus, I'm going to try to calculate n, so n minus 1, and d is just the difference between each term. So you do your second term minus your first term, and you'll get positive 2 for d, because as we can see, this function is increasing by 2 every time. Now all I need to do is solve for n over here. I'm going to start by subtracting the 7 on this side. So 63 minus 7. I'll write this 2 in the front over here equals to 2 times n minus 1. 63 minus 7 is just 56 equals to 2 times n minus 1. Then I can divide both sides by 2. Get 28 equals to n minus 1. Then if I add 1, I'll get 29 equals. And so there are 29 terms in this sequence. Let's do one more example quick for practice. Same equation over here, Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 times d. My last term is negative 205. My first term is negative 20. Trying to find n. And d over here, if I do negative 25 minus negative 20, that's negative 25 plus 20, which is negative 5. So my difference is a negative number here. As you can see, the terms are constantly going down by negative 5. So that's why, or by going down by 5. So that's why it's negative 5. So if it's increasing, it's a positive number. It's decreasing, it's a negative number. I'll solve this. So negative 205 plus 20 equals negative 5 times n minus 1. Negative 185 equals to negative 5 times n minus 1. Divide both sides by negative 5. Get 37 equals to n minus 1. And then I'm going to add 1. So 38 equals to n. Therefore, there are 38 terms in this sequence.